apart from water wey they put inside of your fridge, which other item you dey see inside fridge?
For fridge, any other item wey go dey apart from water na beer.
Yes, bad boy. Come on, sir.
Beer gas dey enough beer.
Funke!
And if beer dey again, you put on that beer.
Food.
Guy food.
Fish. Turkey. Soup.
Maybe your food stuff. And then maybe junks.
Junks.
And your food stuff, I don't know.
When you say junks, what be junks?
Like your biscuits.
You fit soft drinks dey there now.
Milk, egg, vegetable, fruits.
Chocolate, drinks, biscuits.
You say what?
You see drink, then you see maybe fruits, apple, then food stuff like turkey, like chicken, and so on.
Food.
Food.
Yes.